Oh, there you go. She had an egg. That's why she is so quiet. Bibi.
Keep eating chicken. For the protein, huh?
Oh, there she is. Yeah. That's her egg. My goodness, so big.
Wow, what happened to you?
That's why she is so, she's so strict when I touch her, when I clean, and then she's getting angry. Oh my goodness, Momoy.
Wow. So big, that's the biggest.
Yeah.
But it's broken?
No. Moy.
It's broken?
No.
My poor
See?
girl. Wow, to have an egg.
She had an
You
egg.
are so good, huh? My goodness. Huh?
Hi, Moy.
So, maybe you want to keep for her?
She will bite this one. She will break it.
Maybe just as her protein, or what we can do with the egg.
Last time the ones we have, we just
keep
get
for a long
dry.
time.
It just get
Yeah.
dry.
Yeah.
But
what
if
to
she
do?
didn't eat, that's the problem.
Maybe let her eat.
You want this one, me? Oh?
It's her egg, so yeah, she want. Maybe she's the basic instinct to protect the egg.
Yeah.
So you don't get the egg from her, right? You have how about a towel to
Put it
on
in
the or in the
okay.
box or what?
Yeah,
Oh,
I think so.
Yeah,
Okay, I will fix this one, okay? I fix your egg, okay? Okay? This is your egg. That's why this morning I want to open her and she don't like. She's trying to bite my finger, so I close it again. This is your egg, huh? Okay, thank you. I show it to my friend that you have egg again.
It's the biggest.
Yeah.
Wow, how can